Okay, let's have a look at challenge number 54. So this one we have parsing exercise. We have some input data, so everything in one go. We're gonna parse out, copy paste all the things. So we're looking for city, state, and zip code. Okay, so the city address is fine. The annoying thing is the city. If you got a city, you have Lisbon, Butter Creek. So do you have a space in the city? So it's not necessarily the last character. Da, 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 da. Hmm. Let's go regex first. So let's say we've dot down everything in the front. Then the last one we have the digits. Well, we may or may not have a digits. Because this guy have no zip code. That's also going to be annoying. So let's do the digits first. You want to capture the digits if you have a zip code, and that may or may not be a digits. Then working backwards, you have a space. That's the last character. Before the character, you have. So you also can say have backslash u. It's not supported in um, Regex 101. So we're gonna have a word character. So try to do probably capture A to Z. So the abbreviation for the state. We know the abbreviation for state is 2, so everybody has a state. That's good. That's capturing everything in front of it. So at least in the back end, we can see we capture correctly what we want to get. So let's think the address. Address is annoying. You have a circle. If you're looking at you have circle, street, drive, street, road. You can probably do a lookup when we have those special characters. Ba, ba, ba. Sandalas. So I think why is this casing the digit? Let's try to say this is the end of character. Mm, so that's not end of character. Let's not happy about it. Other character, so happy about it. You can't do much about it. So always gonna get digits with word character in front of it. So maybe we can do that separately for the address number. So you have word character with something. Then you try to capture two digits. Yep, because the space may not have the space in the end. And have the digits. I catch them. Okay, that's good. So the digit, the word characters, the space. This we can see color-wise. We're capturing what we intended and then not capturing the digits in the start of it. For general address, put a heart in front to say the start of string. For general address, you may have, say, street number as number, as rather than start with digits. You may need to do something about it. This is actually okay. We can use this one. Our tricks. So because we can also leave the street last and try to do additional passing separately for the token. So what do you call? What's the address? Da, da, da. Let's go F1 then. We're feeling very creative. We're gonna regex match. We're looking for the address text. What's the pattern we're looking for? For the chunk, we can capture the second capture group. Let me put this into another separate capture group. So we have $1. Let's talk kind of quickly. State. What do they have? State and the zip code. We have those information already. So it's a state. We can just change that to capture group 2. You have zip code. If capture group is 3. That looks good. We're getting the final two column handled. And then just a matter case of handle the street part. Training white space is okay. We don't worry too much about it. Um, Let me just put S there. Control C, Control V, Control V. So far everything has state, so you also have a space in front of state. So the backslash help you to get rid of training white space. So word you either have the last one character or last two character. Dallas, Dallas. I think the last one they did it wrong because last one you actually have ST is main street. Okay, 1, 2, 3, bam, bam. Yeah, I don't think last one can do anything about regex because you have a very distinct, different patterns. White space is not fun. Lisbon 4, there's no way to get out of it. You basically just need to create a lookup table for that list. So you probably have a lookup table without a state with corresponding city. Then you try to do replace. So let me just pretend we have this lookup table. We don't need a zip code. We want to delete the columns. Replace. I'm going to replace with a blank space. Da, 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 da. Find replace. So my intention is I want to get rid of null values. I want to get. It's annoying. Because what I want to do, I want to do looking for the two clean. What do you want to do? I want to find any parts. I want to find the part I want to replace. I want to find the city you need. What do you want to replace? You want to replace with a blank field. Delete. Let's say delete column. Let's do additional formatting. We're going to create a dummy field. Yeah, it's better just formula. I'm going to have a zero length string on the formula. I'm going to replace the final screen. What's the thing you want to replace with blank? We don't have multiple replace. You have trading white space. Da, 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 da. That's annoying. That's annoying. What's not okay about it? Yeah. Da, 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 da. So we have address, we have creating, we have status tree, zip code address. Yeah, then we can probably do it just a regular drill. So we're going to just tab. Just to clean. To clean is address. State, zip code is fine. Address text with command. So the left hand side. Hmm, I'm doing my join the wrong way around. We will find the replace. So we don't do the trim. That's on the trim last. Compared to the answer, they only care about the city, state, and zip code. My intention, since we have all the information here, we may well just do all the drawings, get out everything we need. I probably want to call this go top. Here's a city and a state. Oh, actually, I don't have a join field. That's annoying. Let's actually do replace on top of that instead. That's probably quicker. We go with original text. So to clean is your address field, minus to clean minus the address field. So you have a state, city. This is replace address field. We're gonna do what the target you want to replace. You want to replace to clean. You replace was blank. We're gonna just rinse and repeat this thing. We try to basically get rid of the state and the zip code. Then with the city. Not the most efficient way, but then you have a trim space, you have address, you have a city to clean. To clean, let's change it to the ADDRESS. Anything else we can just a multi-field to handle it. But the intention for this challenge, the issue is always to do with the original text, the passing out specific expression, even with missing digits on the regex fine because you have a fixed pattern. Address link up with city names when they have a mixed up type. That's almost nothing you can do about it. It's nothing to do with regex pattern. That indicates you probably have to just go for to looking for some kind of lookup table as a reference. Then use the lookup table, do whatever the passing that's needed. Ideally, yeah, that's pretty much all I can say. You can, in this particular one, because you have only 8 rows, you could do it manually to pass out the columns into different column number, then to decide, okay, should I move one column back or should I move 2 column back? But if you have, say, 100 columns, 100 rows of data, that may not be as robust as you may think, because in that case, you will need to handle probably multiple formula, multiple filter to handle the missing part. In this case, with a lookup table, life is a bit easier. So even with 100 rows, I would still use the same workflow to do the same. Okay, and that's challenge 54. Thanks for watching.